thick, brownish cloud swirling around your strawberries in those viral videos isn't always the toxic sludge you think it is. You have seen the clips. Someone drops a sleek little gadget into a bowl of water. They add some grapes. Suddenly, the whole thing looks like a swamp. It is captivating. It is also a bit of a high-tech magic trick. This device is taking over social media feeds by claiming to scrub your fruit using nothing but science and ordinary tap water. No vinegar, no specialized sprays, no replacement filters to buy later. The core technology is grounded in chemistry. It uses electrolysis to activate the water. You just drop it in, press a button, and walk away for 5 minutes. For anyone who hates the tedious task of scrubbing individual blueberries or trying to get the grit out of leafy kale, a hands-off cleaning cycle feels like a real upgrade. But we really need to address that dramatic, murky water. Here is the big secret. If you run that device in a bowl of plain tap water with absolutely zero produce in it, the water still changes color. That reaction is just the electrolysis process interacting with the minerals and ions already present in your pipes. It is a clever visual stunt. It makes you feel like you are lifting away layers of pesticides, even if the fruit was already relatively clean. Then there is the massive gap in what you pay. Head straight to the official brand website and they will ask you for about $60. Check the massive online marketplaces instead. You will find essentially identical devices under a dozen different names for $20. This is what we call a white label product. One factory makes the hardware. Different companies slap their own logo on it. You're mostly paying for the flashy advertising and the viral videos. They even claim your produce will stay fresh 5 times longer than usual. That is a huge claim that lacks any solid evidence to back it up. However, do not think the whole thing is a total scam. The science of hydroxyl ion electrolysis is actually legitimate. There are peer-reviewed studies showing that this process can reduce pesticide residues on food. The real mystery is whether a tiny, rechargeable pod in a plastic bowl generates enough power to actually matter in a home kitchen. The gap between a controlled laboratory and your kitchen counter is pretty wide. If you buy this expecting lab-grade sterilization, the marketing is outrunning the reality. But if you just want a convenient, chemical-free way to give your groceries a better rinse than just holding them under the faucet, it is actually a decent little tool. Just make sure you do not get caught overpaying for the brand name. It is not a miracle worker, but it is a handy little helper for the modern kitchen. The truth behind these viral trends is usually a lot more nuanced than a 30-second clip suggests. It is a useful upgrade, but keep your feet on the ground. This gadget is a perfect example of how a grain of scientific truth can be stretched into a massive marketing campaign. It is not magic. It is just a small convenience. If you decide to pick one up, keep your expectations realistic. A simple saltwater soak might do a similar job, but it does not have the same futuristic appeal. It is all about how much you value that extra bit of convenience in your daily routine.